Have you been looking a while for that perfect property? First home buyer, downsizer, or even potentially an investor? Welcome to number 80, Treeve Pkwy, in the heart of the Hartley estate in Werribee. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, double garage, freeway access. Come through, have a look with me. My name's Jonathan Bird. I hope you enjoy the tour. Well, thanks for watching. That's a small little snippet of this amazing property. If you'd like to organise a private inspection to see it all in its entirety, my name's Jonathan Bird. Give me a call on 0419 536 905 and I'll be happy to organise to get you through. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.